Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about minimalism and how minimalism can help you get to financial freedom quicker and also retire a lot sooner than you ever thought. So minimalism is about eliminating the excess and focusing on what really matters to you and what you actually use. It's not about owning nothing, it's about having your stuff not own you. So let me ask you a question. Do you actually need the newest iPhone? Do you need the car that's basically drives itself, that you're really not using all the features on, even though you have massive monthly payments already? What if not chasing those items is your biggest path to financial freedom? Would you choose financial freedom over stuff? So what I say is own what you use and what you love, because sometimes you have all these things and you bought them but you didn't intentionally think about it. You thought, oh, I need that, I want the latest gadget, but you're not actually using it. So even if you did buy it and you're not using it, why are you keeping it? Like, are you still keeping the box that your iPhone came in just because you think you might need it? Just get rid of the things that you really don't need in the house, because I feel like a cleaner home, clutter-free, helps you have a clearer mind. And that is one of your biggest paths to financial wealth, is to clear your mind and be free. When you have good energy, money flows to you. Spend intentionally, not impulsively. Put freedom before possessions. So let's talk about money. So here's how minimalism can help you cut cost and boost your savings instantly. So say you get a pay raise. As a minimalist, you would just save that money, invest it. You would just pretend like you didn't get it, and you just put it into your investment and save for your financial future. But as a non-minimalist, a lot of people will just go out and buy new clothes. Oh, I deserve it, I got a bonus. Or maybe if they've got a better job, they just decide, oh, I'm going to get a bigger house, or maybe the better car. So minimalists will keep their lifestyle steady and think about their financial future instead and invest the difference. So the average American spends about $1,400 a month apparently on unnecessary things like new furniture in their house, and some people buy new furniture all the time, which is kind of strange to me, but it happens. And they buy the newest, trendiest clothes, and they get facials every month, or they buy loads of makeup, and they get their nails done, and all sorts of different things that seem like just a little bit of money sometimes, but it actually mounts up to quite a lot. So say you went to Starbucks every single day too, that's like $5 to $10 a day. Think about how much that is. And so the average American apparently spends $1,400 a month on just unnecessary things. But think about if you had even just half of that. Minimalism doesn't just save you money, it speeds up your path to financial freedom quicker. You need less to be happy, and this means you need less income to actually survive. If you need less income, it means you don't have to work as much. So the extra 500, 1,000, 2,000, whatever it is that you're spending on unnecessary things, you could be saving. So let me break this down for you. So if you have 1,000 a month and you invest it at 7% return, in 10 years you would have $173,000. Now think about what you could do with that kind of money. Or even 15 years, you would have $325,000. That kind of money opens doors. Money buys freedom to retire early, to switch careers, or just live the life on your terms. Here's a list of things that drain your bank account but don't bring lasting joy. The latest iPhone, the flashy car, endless subscriptions, fast fashion, trendy new furniture, a bigger home to store your stuff. Some people actually have storage units to store their stuff that they never even use. So imagine if you had a boat and you just have a storage unit for that. Or you downsized, but you kept all the furniture and everything and didn't get rid of it, and you ended up renting a storage unit every month. Like, just think about, do you need the stuff you're storing? Because it's not always necessary. Most of the time it isn't necessary. You don't need the stuff. You actually feel a lot better when you get rid of it. Like, I downsized. I actually sold everything right after COVID. I sold everything, and I had a 3-bedroom home, and it was full of things. Well, not that much, it was minimalist anyway, but it still had a 3 bedrooms worth of stuff, right? So I had to get rid of everything because I was going to go move back to England, but I didn't, which is good. But I happened to still get rid of a lot of my stuff. And I felt bad at first, like it was hard like to let go because I spent my hard-earned money on these things. But then after I started getting rid of some things, it actually felt really freeing, and it's really amazing. And I didn't even sell most of it. Most of it I just gave away to people that were in need. And it just felt really good to help somebody that needed it. And, you know, I didn't need that bed in my second bedroom that I never use. I only had it for guests. Like, why am I doing that? Like, I don't think I'll ever do that again, to be honest. I'm never going to have a spare bedroom, a spare bed just for guests. Like, it doesn't make sense to me because it's rare that you get the guests. And it was really freeing to be able to just let it go. Like, it felt like a sense of, like, I have less stuff to maintain, and it feels really good. So let me know if you, in the comments below, if you've done that before and how you felt. And even now I still have to go through my things because, you know, you accumulate things each year or whatever, and you don't really use everything. So just get rid of it. So here's the wild part. You actually feel richer, not because of what you own, but because you are no longer chasing stuff. You prefer experiences over things, quality over quantity, and purpose over possessions. So if you want to stop working forever just to afford stuff you barely use, and if you want your money to buy back your time, and if you want to retire younger and live freer and live lighter, start with minimalism. You don't have to go all in overnight. It's a process. Just start questioning every purchase. Do you actually need it? Is it a want or is it a need? One habit alone can change everything. Don't impulsively buy it. Think about it and think about how much is your time worth. So if you're tired of living the rat race, think about minimalism because it will help you get out of the rat race quicker, and it can change your mindset and help you be more free and live a purpose-filled life. So here's to more freedom, less clutter, and being financially free quicker. So let me know if you've embraced minimalism in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you to find out what you think, and if you're saving for your financial future and if you're on track to retire early. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video.